In February of 2019, FCA announced a $1.6 billion investment in a new assembly plant right here in Detroit for the manufacturing of 2 new Jeep vehicles. This is the first assembly plant constructed by FCA in this area in over 30 years. We'll employ over 3,800 employees. This includes production and skilled trades. We will also be returning back hundreds of employees from the former Mack engine plant, hiring additional salary people to fill our manufacturing roles. This will put us at over 4,200 employees in totality when we're at full production. Our new assembly plant here at Mack will be over 3 million square feet. This includes renovating 2 existing buildings to become the body and white manufacturing building and general assembly. We have an all-new state-of-the-art paint shop that was built from the ground up. So the other exciting part of this job is the relationship we're building with our neighboring community. So it starts with jobs, with the preferential hiring of employees in the immediate neighborhood to allow them to make a really good living working for a world-class plant and to put that money back into their own communities. Also, I'm looking forward to community events where we have volunteerism, the employees of this facility helping our neighbors. Together, the City of Detroit and FCA are providing more than $35 million in support for neighborhood improvements, housing, workforce development, education and training programs, and environmental initiatives. The Mack plant will have the lowest VOC emissions rate of any assembly plants in the country. The plant will employ the latest in advanced technologies and processes like fuel cell tuggers, a zero waste to landfill program, and will achieve LEED certification. Well, here at FCA, we understand we have an obligation to our community. Our facility is smack dab in the middle of Detroit, around neighboring residents, and we owe it to our residents to be good community partners, right? To help service their needs for a better career, for a better life. So I'm looking forward to meeting with the community members, participating in volunteerism efforts with them, and seeing their progress develop, seeing the neighborhoods develop over time as a result of the investment here. So it's very exciting for the City of Detroit, and I look forward to the benefits that the community will receive as a result of this investment in this project.